Shin?
Heard you're a big-time pro bending player now. Now that.
Thanks.
So listen, I got an offer for you. Lightning Bolt Zolt is looking to hire some extra muscle.
I don't know, Shin. Mako told me to stay away from Triple